Hey friends, Tux here. For this particular video, I have something awesome for you. This is a MP3 music player from Yoton. That is Y-O-T-O-N, okay? I will have a link for this product right below, so be sure and click the link to get yours at an amazing price. You guys know I love music, I love MP3 DAT players, and I'm always looking for different versions for different aspects of my life. Do I want something for the car? Do you want something for the beach? Do you want something for a long flight? And most preferably something that would apply to all sorts of different levels of musical enjoyment, you know? And I've heard really great things about this. This one here at the bottom here just says, lets you immerse yourself in the music world. This is model YM07, by the way, okay? It comes in this nice little box here, very presentable. Digging the green, looks really nice wrappable box you could give as a gift to somebody. On the back here talks about it, this MP3 player, mentions following them on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and 12-month warranty. That's really important because a lot of these DAT players maybe don't include a warranty, you know, or it's really limited. And the fact that they have all their socials on there, it's easy to reach them, and the fact it has a 12-month warranty is a big plus, you know. So that's really cool. And we have barcodes. If you need the barcode, that's right there for you, but again, a link for you will be right below. Okay, I got my scissors here. We're going to go ahead and open up the box here for you. It has a little safety seal on top and bottom, so that's cool. You know, it's nicely secure for you. We'll try and cut this open gracefully here. And now in the box, we got a couple of accessories here for you. First off, it does come with a charging cable. Now this is what you go ahead and plug in. This is USB-C, okay, USB-C to USB, or USB-A if you will, okay? And this you plug into the player, this you plug into your computer, and then from there it will see this as a hard drive, and you can transfer your music files. Normally this is the way you charge it as well, okay? And then I'm really blown away. It comes with some little earbuds, so that's pretty cool. These look like nice, so 3.5 millimeter. Nice little black cord, fashionable, nice little soft rubbery earpieces like little stoppers. So really cool. You know, a lot of DAT players do not include earbuds. And although you might, you know, choose to use some super expensive ones you buy on your own, it's great they include these. This is what all you need to get started. So I love the fact it actually includes earbuds with the device. Now looking at the device, this is a nice little small form factor. So this will be very easy to stick in a back pocket, put in a backpack. Let's pull this off here, and oh, that is sharp looking, guys. Let me pull off the little safety sticker here. Keep it nice and shiny. There we go. We'll peel that off. So it's great they care about enough to have that safety on there for you, and very attractive, like little look to it. Reminds me of kind of like an Apple product maybe. We have the name up here, Yoton, and then we have the little button down here at the bottom. On the side over here, we have a couple different buttons. Looks like we have a rocker button here, which is probably going to be for volume up, down, and then power. On the back here, we have some usual safety instructions. On the very bottom of it here, we have the plug for the 3.5 millimeter headphones. So this is where you take your headphones, and this is plugs in just like that. Make sure it's pushed in all the way, and then you can listen to music or, of course, listen to FM radio because this acts as the antenna again. Okay, and then for charging purposes, we have USB-C, and you may have a whole bunch of these USB-C cords already from cell phones and all sorts of other devices, but it's great they include it, you know, and you can just plug it in just like that, and then this gets plugged into the computer, and that's how you transfer music. Let's go ahead and give this a first boot up. Oftentimes they're not charged when you get things from the factory, but let's find out together. We'll go ahead and hit the button here. I'm going to hold that kind of like a cell phone, and oh, it's going up. There's the name right away, and it goes right into languages. Let me dim the light so you can see the screen even better. This has a nice bright screen. It's very easy to read. We have all sorts of languages. We're going to hit English there and hit the advanced, and has a very attractive little start screen, like a home screen. We have the time, and we have the date and the day, so very good. And then you swipe up to unlock, and you can see that's a very responsive screen too. This is very quick, which is good. We're gonna hit English there, and oh, I like that. That looks very Apple-ish. Lots of icons, everything from music to record to FM. Like, I really like that interface. Are you digging this? I am digging this. Very cool stuff. These don't usually include sample music to get started, but just for fun, let me hit that and see if there's some artists or albums in here. Yeah, there's no song. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and plug this in the computer. We're going to add some test tracks, and I'll be right back. Now, when you have the MP3 player plugged in with the supplied USB-C cable, it's basically going to see it it being the computer will see the MP3 player as a hard drive. So that's what this window is over here. Basically plug it in. It's like, oh, it's a hard drive. Let's go ahead and add some music. So over here, I just have some sample songs. We're just going to grab a few songs from here. We're going to toss them over. We'll grab a little Information Society. We'll drop that. Let's see, what else should we grab? Maybe Utah Saints, something good. Good little 90s tune. There's a bunch of 90s music, it looks like. We'll pick a little New Order. That sounds good. World in Motion. We'll drop that one. Maybe a little MC Hammer. You Can't Touch This is for giggles. Let's see. Maybe what else we got? Blue Monday 88. That looks good. And you can see how the music files are transferring over. The little green line is going over as it transfers the music. So it's very easy to see when the music's going over. Let's grab a couple more tunes here. Let's see. Let's grab a little Duran Duran. Let's see. Maybe a little Elastica. Let's grab a little tune from the Pixies. And maybe one more. Let's see. What else should we grab? Maybe grab a little Faith No More Epic. That'd be good. All right. So now we've transferred over some music here. You can see it's completing. And now I'm going to go ahead and plug in the unit and test out some of these songs. Going through a few of the artists I listened to on songs from Duran Duran, Ordinary World, sounded great. The clarity of the individual instruments was really noticeable, which is excellent. You know, Utah Saints, sometimes dance music can sound kind of tinny or whatever. It sounded great, and you definitely got the bass and the deep feel of the music. So that was really, really awesome. I listened to some Faith and War. That was really great. The drums sounded awesome. I mean, all out, it's a really, really good player. And I love the fact it has this interface. It's very smooth. When you transition from song to song, it has a nice little fade out too. So it's not real jarring when it goes into the next song. So I did appreciate that as well too. On the player itself, these buttons here below are functional. So you can actually listen to music and you can pause it right from this like little mini menu inside of the icon. See the little play pause right there? I hit pause, see the two lines. And then also there is fast forward and a reverse on here too, so that's really cool. You can easily go to other options from here too, like hit the microphone for voice recording. From here you can do recording library, storage, record format, record settings. That's really good. You can do the back button if you want, or hit the icon up here. Let me hit the icon. And that's what it looks like for the actual recording. You can see it does have a little time on there, and it's going through and recording, and you can just hit pause when you're done. So really good if you need to record some notes to yourself or whatever. Very cool. There is a thing here for the little shirt. You can change themes. You can see from a black theme to like different backgrounds and stuff, which is really cool. FM radio is right there. From that point, you can go ahead and do auto tuning if you want, and we'll just do auto tuning just to show you. Now it's going to use the headphones again as an antenna. So this cord here from the earbuds is actually an antenna. Let's see if it finds some different FM stations. Let's check it out. There we go, and it found a whole bunch of them. Look at that. I live on this little island in the Keys, and it actually found a whole bunch of radio stations. And it looks like there's a lot of presets too. So if you live in a bigger city, it looks like it can record, or it can save a whole bunch of presets for you. So it looks like up to about 30. So very cool. My favorite is 106.9, and that's like the all rock channel here in Key West, and looks great. So really cool. Picks it up. Let me give us a quick listen here. Let me take this back to 106.9. We're going to pop in the supply to earbuds. I'll be right back. It really does a fantastic job with FM radio. It sounds clear and as good as you'd expect from any player of any price point. So very cool, and that's a great way to check out local stuff. Maybe there's a hurricane or some local news you have to catch. So it's great that it has the option of doing local radio. And then you hit the back button here. We're going to hit yes, and we'll just take this back. And then from here, you can see there's pictures. You can go ahead and take a look. You can save some photos on here if you like. We'll hit the home button again. And you can see it's very responsive for that home button, which is really cool too. Down here, there is some options for you under settings, Bluetooth. You got a calculator there. You can actually do some calculations. You're trying to figure out some money stuff. It's very handy that it has that. It's got a stopwatch for you and a couple different laps. It can do ebooks, so that's really cool. Who would think about that? And again, it does have an alarm clock mode with several settings, so you can actually set the alarm clock if you're like on a trip or something, which is really cool. And it does have a variety of different ringtones too, which is nice. Okay, to recap, this is the Yoton, that's Yoton YM07. This is a small MP3 player that packs a lot of great features. For its size, it does an amazing job of having a lot of stuff built into it, from ebooks to alarm clock to calculator, things you wouldn't expect in here, stopwatch, and of course the most important things are music and playing video, and of course this is just the perfect little size, to take with you on the road, no matter if you're listening to FM radio or if you want to listen to some of your favorite MP3s, you can pop them on here and just have a lot of music in your pocket without taking up a lot of space. The volume of it is very loud, and the earbuds, again, these are both very comfortable and they're really responsive. They sound great for being little freebie pack-in earbuds. I was really impressed with that too. So all in all, this is a great way to go, guys, if you're someone who's just getting into music yourself, giving a gift to somebody that you want to think about, like the lifetime of enjoyment of music. Give this to someone who's just starting to, collect MP3s or listen to music or appreciate, music. It'd be a great gift for somebody, and again, this is the perfect little player for you to keep, on your travel backpack. It's something that's small enough. If you happen to lose it, it's not the end of the world. It's not, $1,000 player. In fact, this is very cost effective. So really cool. And I like the fact that it's pretty looking, it's very responsive. And I like its little Apple-ish type menu system too, it looks really cool, okay? If you guys have any questions about this Yoton YM07 MP3 player, let me know in the comments below. And again, we'll play a variety of formats. So no matter if you're someone who's into FLAC files, or you just want regular old MP3s, or something, more exotic like waves, this got you covered, so very cool stuff, okay? All right, guys, again, I want to thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Any questions, reach out to me, TUXXtoys@gmail.com. And again, the link for this will be right below, so be sure and click that link to get yours at the very best price, all right? All right, friends, we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.